friends. Welcome to our Class 9 graphic design session.
Today we'll learn about the Direct Selection tool in Adobe Illustrator. The shortcut key for this tool is A. This tool is used to select and edit individual anchor points or paths of any shape. Unlike the regular selection tool, which moves the whole object, the Direct Selection tool allows you to control just a specific part.
For example, if you draw a rectangle and want to move only one corner, simply click on that point with the Direct Selection tool and drag it. The shape will change.
You'll also notice a small circular handle near the anchor point. If you drag this circle, the corner becomes rounded, giving your shape a smooth, curved edge. It's very useful for creating custom shapes, smooth curves, and detailed editing. So remember, when you need precision, use the Direct Selection tool.